Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best sharpening stones for kitchen knives that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional chef or a home cook, having sharp knives is essential, and a good sharpening stone is the key to maintaining them. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone 2-Side Grit 400-1000 Whetstone Kit. This set features a dual-sided grit configuration of 400 and 1000, making it perfect for restoring dull knives and refining their edges. The inclusion of a flattening stone ensures the whetstone remains even over time, giving you consistent results. It's constructed from durable silicon carbide, ensuring long-lasting performance. The kit also includes a non-slip rubber base for added safety and stability during use. The design is simple but effective, with a compact 7.25 by 2.25 inch profile that fits comfortably on most countertops. The 400 grit is great for repairing damaged edges, while the 1000 grit smooths out imperfections and prepares the blade for finer polishing. However, it lacks higher grit stones for ultrafine polishing, making it more suitable for general sharpening rather than achieving razor-sharp edges. Overall, this product is ideal for those looking for a reliable, beginner-friendly sharpening stone at a reasonable price. While it's a solid performer, its limited grit range and lack of premium materials place it lower on our list. Pros include its affordability and ease of use, but its cons are the absence of finer grits and the need to purchase additional stones for advanced sharpening. At number 3, we have the Sharp Pebble Premium Whetstone Knife Sharpening Stone 2-Side Grit 1000-6000. This dual-sided whetstone is an upgrade from the 400 to 1000 Sharp Pebble model, designed for both sharpening and polishing. The 1000 grit side handles most sharpening tasks, while the ultrafine 6000 grit side gives your blades a mirror-like finish. It's made from high-quality aluminum oxide for durability and consistent results. The standout feature here is the inclusion of a sturdy bamboo base with a non-slip rubber bottom, which provides excellent stability during sharpening. It also comes with a knife angle guide, making it beginner-friendly while still appealing to experienced users. However, this stone is slightly smaller, at 7.25 inches long, which may be a drawback for those sharpening larger knives. Despite this, the combination of grits ensures that it can handle a wide range of sharpening tasks effectively. This is an excellent choice for home cooks and professionals who need a reliable, versatile sharpening tool. The 1000-6000 grit combination allows for a balance of precision and performance. While it's a bit pricier than the lower-ranked stones, the added polishing capability and premium build quality justify the investment. Pros include its fine polishing potential and beginner-friendly design, while the cons are the smaller size and premium price point. In the number 2 spot is the HMPLL Knife Sharpening Stone Set Professional Whetstone 4-Side Grit 400, 1000, 3000, 8000. This set is a comprehensive choice for sharpening enthusiasts, offering 4 grit levels from coarse 400 for repairing chips to ultrafine 8000 for polishing. Made of professional-grade white corundum, this stone is both heat and corrosion resistant, ensuring a long lifespan. The set also includes a bamboo base, non-slip silicone holder, flattening stone, leather strop, and an angle guide, making it one of the most complete kits on this list. With dimensions of 7 by 2.36 inches, the stone set offers a larger sharpening surface, which is great for handling various blade sizes. The bamboo base provides a stable platform, and the silicone holder keeps the stone securely in place during use. The versatility of this set is one of its key strengths, as it can handle knives, scissors, and even larger tools like axes and chisels. This product offers exceptional value for its price, catering to both beginners and seasoned sharpeners. The inclusion of higher grits makes it ideal for users who want to refine their blades to a razor-sharp polish. Pros include its comprehensive kit, high-quality materials, and wide application range. The only downside is its heavier weight, which might make it less portable. Overall, this is a fantastic investment for those who want a professional-grade sharpening experience. Finally, at number 1, we have the Intellitopia Complete Knife Sharpening Stone Set. This set is the ultimate all-in-one solution for knife sharpening. With dual-sided whetstones offering 400, 1000, and 3000, 8000 grits, it covers everything from repairing damaged blades to achieving a mirror-like polish. Made from professional-grade corundum, this kit is highly durable and built to last. The set also includes a leather strop, a coarse flattening stone, a bamboo base, 3 non-slip rubber bases, and a knife angle guide, making it the most comprehensive option on our list. The design is both practical and elegant, with a sturdy bamboo base that provides excellent stability during sharpening. The leather strop adds the finishing touch by removing burrs and refining the edge for razor-sharp results. The detailed instruction manual ensures that even beginners can achieve professional-grade results with ease. The versatility of this kit is unmatched, as it works with a wide range of blades, from kitchen knives to razors and scissors. The Intellitopia set is perfect for anyone serious about knife maintenance, whether you're a home cook or a professional chef. Its superior build quality, extensive accessory set, and wide range of grits make it the best value on the market. Pros include its comprehensive features, premium materials, and ease of use. The only potential con is its slightly higher price, but the quality and versatility more than justify the investment. This is, without a doubt, the top sharpening stone set for kitchen knives in 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, feel free to leave a comment down below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, keep those knives sharp and safe. Happy cooking!